subtraction, multiplication, then taking transpose, taking determinant, everything, all about FEM. So
do we have to use MATLAB as well?
Sorry?
Do we have to use MATLAB as well for metrics?
Yeah, you for your like for your what we call safety purpose you can use if you know that you can use anyway. Because anyway, like any FEM, we are going to write some code, right? Pawan, you know that one?
Yeah.
So your code you can write in MATLAB, Python, C, whatever you want, you can do in MATLAB or in any FEM code. So we are having different tool, whatever suitable for you, you can choose that one. Because MATLAB itself, MATLAB matrix laboratory, something like that.
Yeah.
So everything going to deal with matrix only. If we want to like multiply 2 multiply by 3, MATLAB going to store in 2 and 3 in 2 matrix, then it's going to multiply. So
yeah.
In matrix we are going to clear so that it will be not create problem for us in future that our course. So now we are having this matrix A having 2 row, 2 column, and these called the coefficient of matrix. A11 means first row, first column, then A12 means first row, second column, then second row, first column, then second column, second row, second column. First we are calling row. Then matrix size can be infinite also. Like it is not like it should be 2 by 2, 3 by 3, 4 by 8. It can be anything. For example, just for interesting thing in FEM, what we are doing. For example, this is our simple beam structure or simple cantilever beam, and we are putting some load here, P. And I want to solve this. Now I want to calculate the deformation at point A. Some point in the beam I want to calculate deformation. So what we are going to do in FEM, we are going to divide this structure in very simple part. Like this, very simple. This is called meshing. You will learn everything slowly. I'm just giving you some overview. This is called small element. So number of like it will be like 1,000, more than 1,000. Then our dimension or that matrix will be 1,000 by 1,000, something like this. So okay, now what I was saying. You got know what I'm saying. So matrix is not like in our UG what we study. Matrix will be 3 by 3, 4 by 3, and 4 cross 4, 5 cross 4. But in PG course, matrix size will be infinite. Fine. Then I will say then matrix B. Sorry, not it will not be bit. Matrix B. B11, B12, then B21, B22. Now I want to add matrix A plus matrix B. Matrix A plus matrix B will be A11, A12, A21. I know this look like boring for you, but just revising your thing so that it will be clear for you. B11, B12, B21, B22. So it will be this one with this one, A11 plus B11, A21 plus, sorry, it will be B21, then A21 plus B21, then A22 plus B22. This will be, we can say, vector matrix C. So it will be our addition. Similar to subtraction, if we are putting negative here, it will be negative. If we are keeping negative here, then it will be negative, 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 negative. Right? So this will be addition. Yeah, what is this come again? So this will be addition and subtraction. Now, most important thing when we are going to multiply this vector, this matrix, because in FEM we need to do so many times. We have to multiply like 2 vector with 2 matrix, with 3, sometimes 4. This big matrix we have to multiply. So that's why we are using some software like ANSYS, Abacus, or some MATLAB also we are using just to do the calculation a little bit faster. So now we are going to do multiplication of matrix. Pawan, you are getting right? Only you can say yes. So multiplication. So let's we are having by example I can show you, so that will be good for you. We are having matrix A. It is having size 1, 2, 3, then 4, 5, 6. It is having how many row? So it is having 2 row. Number of row will be 2. Then column here we are having 3 column. Okay, so size will be row by row cross row 2 column 3, 2 by 3. In simple way, I will say row number of row equal to n, then number of column equal to m, and it will be n cross n. Then matrix B is I will say 10, 20, 30, then 11, 21, then 31. Oh, why I'm writing this vector? This is a matrix. Okay. So matrix A, matrix B. Size will be number of row here, number of row equal to 3. Then number of column here, m equal to 2. It will be 3 cross 2. So what condition we need to first check if we are going to multiply any matrix?
Sir,
Yes.
we know this that first we will see column the first row and matrix of in matrix we'll see rows 3 and 3, so we can do multiplication. This we have studied.
You know, right?
Yes, we know. I also know that multiplication, so I will directly tell you answer. You proceed.
That's great. Okay, so that's fine. So you know that okay, we will go faster and we will go to directly problem. That will be good for us.
But I will first do, then you check once.
Yeah, but first tell me answer. What will be your answer? Then we will verify. Just like I know everyone know that you are from that you already completed UG and everyone know. Just to make little bit phrase. That's why I'm teaching. So then let me know what is your answer, because in FEM you are going to deal with multiplication only. So these conditions should be this number of that column should be equal to number of row for second that matrix. These should be equal. Then again, finally will be 2 cross 2, because this will be 2, this will be 2. Answer will be 2 cross 2. Then after that, we are going to solve about some problem that.
First is 140, that matrix size 2 by 2, A11 element.
Okay, let me write 140.
Then 146, the first row, second column.
Yeah, 146.
Then 320.
320.
335.
Yeah, that's fine. Great. So A multiplication will be like this. This is answer. Fine. Okay, then no need to discuss this. Okay, I think Deepka, right?
Yes, sir.
Oh, look, one more question just to give me that answer so that it will be good. Like we are having matrix 1 2 6 9 0 3. You are not using any tool, right? You are doing by manually.
Yes.
6. Then sorry, it is 3 by 3. It will be 3 by 2. What will be that
Size?
Size? Yeah, what will be size?
Size will be 3 by 2.
Oh, that 3 by 2 it will be, because okay, so because we are having these two, it will be 3 by 2. Fine. Okay, then I will go through directly question. Let me open my question.
Actually, initially I was traveling, so I couldn't answer.
Oh, okay.
But now,
I know that everyone know these are very simple matrix multiplication and vector addition, all these things. But when like okay, I will just give you one simple example. You know that stiffness matrix K.
yes, yes.
This is a stiffness. And it will be matrix for any beam.
Hmm.
It will be matrix for any beam like this. When we are going to calculate this matrix, we are going to use some formula like volume integral P transpose
DV.
N. I don't know get B transpose N B
DV, I think.
then dV like this. So when we are going to multiply here, then we made so many times I made mistake. Anyway, like this simple multiplication we easily can find answer, but when we are multiplying here, normally
I know by calci.
Sorry.
I know by calci. Matlab 3 by 3 can be solved using calci. Big matrices can be solved using soft.
But when we are doing manually, then it will be very difficult for us. But basic, because sometime when we are putting value in our software, sometimes software will give wrong answer. But for that we need to little bit our handy so that we will get this is nearby exact, it is wrong. Then we have to take care. So that just we have to do manually. Then we can verify with our software.
Yes.
Okay, that's fine. Then so directly I will go through that some questions I prepared.